Hey my friends, welcome back. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. It is the evening time and I think it's a good day for a cocktail. I thought I would share with you one of my fun cocktails on the blog that I first tried in El Dorado, California at a place called Poor Red's Barbecue. And it was like this biker bar. My girlfriend took me in and she's like, no, it's okay. We go there all the time. And I was like, I don't know about this. We walk in this bar. It has this huge bar that goes all the way around, wraps around, and all the tough guys there are drinking cocktails out of a little champagne glass. It was just kind of sort of hilarious, and it's what they're known for. And it closed since it has recently reopened, the last few years reopened, and the drink is called the Golden Cadillac. And I thought it would be fun. We haven't done anything like that before. So it's a super easy recipe. We're only going to need a few things, and that is Galliano. And this comes in two colors. You want to make sure you get the yellow. I don't know what the flavor difference is there, but you want the yellow for this recipe. Cream de cocoa, heavy whipping cream, and we need some ice. So that's all we're going to need for this recipe. This one's super easy, guys. All we're going to do is combine the ingredients into our blender, give it a whirl, and it's cocktail time. I'm liking the way that is. We need equal parts of Galliano and cream de cocoa and heavy cream. I'm using a big, tall shot glass because I'm making cocktails for Dan and I, so this is our Bigfoot shot glass. I think that we got that over by the coast here in Oregon. And put my ice in first. And normally you need about 5 ice cubes. My ice cubes are a little smaller, so I'm going to use 7 ice cubes for each drink, so 14 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. Okay, in goes the cream de cocoa, 1 shot, and it's because it's equal parts, it's super easy to manage. This beautiful Galliano, I just love that color. It's so retro. We have that. And I'm careful to put the lids back on because what I would do is knock them over, so I don't want to do that. And a shot of heavy cream. Or I should say equal parts of heavy cream. You can even make this a dessert by whipping everything together and serving it with some vanilla ice cream. That is amazing. Okay. Plug your ears. I'm going to give this a whirl. Okay. This is perfect for New Year's Eve. It's perfect for Christmas Eve, Valentine's Day, date night. And doesn't that make like the perfect amount for 2? Cheers, my friend. I gotta go hunt down my husband so we can enjoy this cocktail together. We'll see you next time. Head over to the blog for more fun drinks. Perfect for Christmas.